Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G32 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings and then let's find the option display. Now we have to tap on screen timeout, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can set relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, or we can set like 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Currently I've got 1 minute option applied. As you can see, this option is marked. So basically all you have to do is to tap on the option deck to use. So I'll pick 10 minutes, and as you can see it is marked, and after getting back it is notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 10 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.